make her stop. Robert, I love this red shirt, man. I want a red Nature's Boot Camp shirt. It's fine.
I know, I want to rent one too.
Well, I'm kind of messed up on colors, but I already told her this morning that I like this red. Yeah. Easy with that high
And you
stuff.
stop at the wall, really? She said she was going to stop at the wall.
That's pretty good.
Oh, she's not even at a minute yet.
Not going. Wrap it. Huh. Hey, looking like a pro. Good job. Hands closed. Hands closed, hands closed.
Here.
Come on.
You still making good time. You got it.
She's doing great. Just stay steady like that. Finish up strong. Come on. Yeah.
Hey! Your time doesn't count.
How'd she see?
She didn't even know.